In this video, we're going to look at storage devices. First of all, what is a storage device? A storage device is a piece of equipment that allows you to store information or data. In this video, we're going to look at the 4 types of storage devices. First, we have optical storage. Examples you'll be familiar with are CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. But here's how they work. If you took a deeper look into these discs, they all have a spiral. A laser is used to burn into this spiral, creating either a pit or a land. The pits and lands represent ones and zeros to the computer. Therefore, by burning these pits and lands, the information is being encoded onto the disk so that the computer can understand it. The great thing about optical storage is that they are cheap compared to most other storage types. They are portable and they take up less space physically when compared to other types of storage. The disadvantages, though, are that their storage capacity is quite low compared to others. As an example, CDs can have 720 MB, DVDs 8.4 GB, and Blu-ray discs stored 50 GB. They are also easily damaged and have slow write speeds. Solid-state memory, also known as flash memory. Examples you'll be familiar with are USB sticks, SD cards, and SSDs. The process behind these devices is actually quite interesting. These devices have a barrier. On one side of this barrier are electrons. An electric current is used to force the electrons through the barrier and trapping them. The trapped electrons may represent a 0 and the untrapped electrons may represent a 1. These electrons remain in place until they are flashed with a new current, and that's why we call it flash memory. Solid state is great because they are very durable, as they have no moving parts. They also have very fast read and write speeds and are quiet. Compared to optical storage, the capacity of solid state is greater. They can have up to 16 terabytes. The disadvantage, though, is that they can be quite expensive for now. They also can be easily lost as they are quite small most of the time. Magnetic disks are made up of circles known as tracks. Each track is divided into sectors. The sectors have partitions which are then magnetized. Think back to when learning about magnets in your science lessons. You know there was a north and south pole or side to your magnet. This is how magnetic disks work. Once the partitions have been magnetized, they are either north or south, representing 1 or 0. Magnetic storage is very cheap. They have large storage capacities and a pretty fast write speed. However, there are many moving parts, so it's not very durable. They are also not portable when compared to optical and solid-state storage. Now for the most modern form of storage, cloud. This involves storing data in a storage system maintained by a third party. For example, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and iCloud. Your data is saved on a server in a warehouse or a server farm somewhere in the world. Cloud storage is easy to use. There is an unlimited storage capacity and it's convenient as you can use it anywhere. However, if you don't have access to the internet, you cannot access the storage. They are also less secure as someone just needs to know your login details to gain access, and uploading and downloading data can take a long time depending on your connection speed. And that is everything you need to know about storage devices.